What are you doing in the kitchen? Oh, you okay? You get it? Come up. Good girl. Why do you have your rubber ducky and your sea otter in the kitchen? Those go in the bath. Where are you going? Are we going to take a bath now? We haven't even had dinner yet. Really? Uh-huh. Where are you going? Are we going to the bath? No? No. Where are we going? We're going this way now? Okay, we're going to go back to the kitchen with your toys? Yeah? Are you having your toys for dinner? Is that what you're doing? Huh, Helena? Whoa! Manana. Now where are we going? Back to the kitchen. Oh, we're going to get Dada? No, I think it's time to go. Let's go put the toys away. Come on. Come on, Helena. Oh, okay. You love your ducky, don't you? Don't you? Huh. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, watch your step.